Hello everybody, so today we're at 7-Eleven. But there's a twist. I can only buy with one color.
Is that color?
Okay, later. Tita Langge, give me one color. Green. What green? What kind of green? I will have a green dinner. It should be just green. Green. I want. Wait. How can here? Okay. Is there giniling? Here's giniling. A Filipino dish. Here. I'm gonna show you a Filipino dish called giniling. And I want to try. No, I like the classic, please. Let's see what Kai's doing.
My color is blue. Everything I'm holding is blue.
He is still doing the challenge.
Somebody help me.
Okay. So, and only kuan. I would want cucumber lemonade, only medium. I would only like medium. It's green, counts as green. Cucumber lemonade is green. Look at that. Look at that. See it? That's how they pour it. So it really works. It's almost full. I just waited for a few minutes. I got all the gulp. I'm on a little bit of. I'm on diet. I only buy 2. I'm on diet. Okay. I only have 2. So. Hey, where's your something blue? It doesn't count because the TikTok is white.
It's halang.
Okay, where's your something blue?
Spicy.
So here is guys. So here. So my mom is gonna get the food. There is my order. There's my order. Giniling. This is mine and that is mine. The order of Kai. This, and 2 of these. Is it? Oh. Say hi.
Wait. I can buy 2 of them.
See if there's a green one. No green ball pen. This doesn't count. It should have green ink. So bye. See you again later or next Saturday. So stay updated by pressing the like button, subscribe, and turning on your notification bell. So bye everybody.
Look up.